How to fix payment method declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can go ahead and then fix if the payment method has been declined. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to go ahead and then fix if your payment method is declined, maybe on your app store or somewhere, it's not such a serious issue. All Apple is saying you to do is to simply check your payment method. Now, in order to do this, you can simply open the settings application here. And once you launch settings, you want to make sure to tap on the profile name from the very top of the screen. And from there, you'll find the option that says payment and shipping. So make sure to tap on payment and shipping. After you go to payment and shipping, make sure to verify your payment method. If there is any of the ones that is not currently working, make sure to simply update to the one that you want to go ahead and then basically verify with. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then fix payment method decline on iPhone. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.